What's up, travelers, and welcome again to the lifestyle. Today's video, I'm gonna talk about how I nearly crashed my drone. And let's start off with, I almost had a heart attack. Okay, this is really tough for me to share with you guys. This is, because that's my baby. That's my other half, all right? This drone, I was in Thailand. This is what happened. I was in Thailand, right? And I was coming back from this place called the MBK Center. It's the largest mall in Thailand, right? I have had the worst experience with this drone in just Thailand alone. Because everywhere I've gone to, can't have it here, can't fly it here, can't fly here nowhere. Everywhere you go, you just can't fly it. You can bring it, but you can't fly it. I decided one day after my trip, I'm just like, you know what, forget it. I'm gonna get some footage no matter what, right? And then where I'm staying is a two-part apartment hotel complex. So I stay in A, and then there's B, right? So in the complex B, you have pools, you have tennis courts, you have gyms, you have saunas. I decided where I want to get footage is right above where the poolside is. You can see from where I'm at, it has a great aerial footage. Like it's amazing, the city at least. And my goal was just to get content of my drone, because like I'm halfway, not even halfway, I'm at the end of my trip in Thailand and I have literally nothing, okay? I said, you know what, forget this. I'm gonna fly it. I'm gonna make something out of it, whatever. I need something at least, okay? Because in Phuket, they wouldn't let me fly it. Sanctuary, they let me fly it. Tiger King, they won't let me fly it. Nowhere. Where can I fly the damn thing? Come on, this is Thailand. You guys can let women come over there and get all these banned surgeries, but you can't let me get some footage? Some helicopter footage, really? You can go in Thailand and buy people, but it's forbidden to fly toys? Come on, man. Anyways, as I'm flying it, I'm trying to just get aerial footage at this point, and I'm flying it forward, which is like north from where I was at, and I have really great footage at this point. And then I said, you know what, let me just reverse and see what else I can get from behind. As I'm flying it over building B, which is where I'm at. So I'm flying it over to get like that overview footage of the city, Bangkok. And it looks great, right? As it's going forward, there's these other buildings, another building right here, another building right here. And I'm flying it through. And if you notice this footage that you will see right now is footage that I had of the drone, but right before it went offline. So as I got close enough to these two buildings, it completely just went offline from my remote control. At this point, I went to almost cardiac arrest. Almost, not quite, almost. Because in my mind, I'm thinking it just dropped. I have no idea where it went. I can't see. I have no eyes in the air. So it went offline, and before it went offline, it said signal interruption, because I believe like where I was flying it, there was so much interference, and I noticed that in Thailand there is a lot of cables that look like really bad shoelaces. It's really bad. But as it went offline, I'm freaking out. Like I'm panicking. My heart is dropping because I put like so much money into that drone, and this is the first time I've actually used it overseas. As it's flying, I can't hear it, but I do hear it eventually, because I believe there's like a built-in device or something in the drone where if it loses signal or whatever disconnects from your remote, it will fly back to where its original takeoff is. So its original takeoff was right in front of me next to the pool side. As it's coming back, I still don't have control over it, and I can't see it on my remote. Eventually it comes back, and I'm trying to get it back to land safely, because I thought at this point I lost my drone. It was gone. As it's coming back, I get a little control of it. It's online, and then it hits the rail of the rooms right above me. It was like probably eight stories above my head, and it hit it really, really hard to where I freaking panicked, because I thought, oh, that's it. It hit something, it's done. Because I've seen a lot of videos where drones hit things and they just fall apart. They literally just, they're just, as it fell, I was ready to give my life for this drone. Like, falling just, you know, there was a pool right in front of me, so I was ready to even just dive right in front of that pool to save that drone. I will do anything. I was ready to do no matter what the cost was to save that drone. Luckily, when it did hit the rail, it hit it pretty hard, but it didn't hit it to where it completely just fell apart. It hit it, and I'm actually really impressed with how hard it got hit, and it still was able to fly down and land safely. When it landed, it had couple scratches, but on places that can be replaced. Like, there's damages on the wings, there's damages on the battery, and those two are easily replaceable. It's not a big deal. I was really just worried about the gimbal being damaged. Thank God it wasn't damaged, so it can live to fly another day. I don't know what happened, but my best assumption is just where it was at, because you can fly it pretty far, and I've tested it before, flying it to Bangkok. You can fly it pretty far to where it won't lose connection with you, but this thing wasn't even that far from where I was at. On top of that, I'm like really high. I'm at the highest point of the apartment hotel complex. So I think, I don't know, at some point there was just too much internet interference going on, and the drone just lost connection for whatever reason. But I thank God it came back to me, because I have it here with me now. A little banged up, but just the battery part and the wing, not necessarily the body, which is fine. And that's just my story. Like, this story haunts me every time I tell it. Like, you talk to anyone that's lost their drone through an accident, they'll freak out. You know, they're gonna say, man, I just dropped a 1000 and it hit a tree, and then that's it. It's a scary thing. If you Google freaking drones crashing, you'll see so many horrific videos. It's terrible. It's like losing a child, you know? Whew. Yeah, just don't be like me. This doesn't really change my view on the drone. I just gotta be more cautious next time, so that I be aware of my surroundings, be aware of where I'm at, and just enjoy it, fly it. I tried taking it to Brazil. Unfortunately, Brazil is not the place to take a drone or any type of electronic device, and I have to take it to my next trip, which is Egypt. That's gonna be cool. You like the video? Please like, share, and subscribe, all right? I've got some more video coming up. This is a new channel, and I hope you guys like this video. It was very hard for me to share this with you guys, because it takes time to come out and say, like, you almost lost your baby, which is my drone. But be easy and take care. Peace.
Da 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 da.